Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to add an initial in DocuSign. So DocuSign is an online PDF agreement and signature web app. It's dedicated to managing signatures and all kind of documents and contracts in one single place. So let's get started. First, log in to your DocuSign account. Then, after you successfully logged into your DocuSign account, head over to Agreements. Select the document you want to add initials to select it, and just click on it. Click on Sign will be redirected to this web page. Here on the left sidebar, just click on Initial, select Initial, and put your initials wherever you fit it in the document. So that's it, guys. Adopt, and here you want to confirm the initial. So click on Adopt and Initial, and that's it, guys. You successfully added initial to your DocuSign document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.